Shit, what's good, y'all? It is currently 7:30 a.m.
I know this is not me, this is my boy Skylar Bach making this video. I didn't go to this practice, so I had him make it. Thinking about making this a series where someone else makes the video and it's like a feature thing on my channel. I'm not sure yet, but make sure you guys comment down below on what you guys think about Skylar and how he did on this video, and I'll leave all his information down in the description, so make sure you guys go show some love to him. And if you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. So yeah, let's get into this video.
Just woke up for practice, and look at this crazy homeless man I just seen on my front porch. How do you do?
Oh, we're just going out. We're getting ready to ball, bro.
Getting ready to ball? About to be a good ball day. I'll check back in with y'all at the field. Alright, it is now 8:15. Fuck, you get the door for me? I look like an idiot.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, this fool's got his hands full too. Oh! Just got to the fucking field. You know what I mean? It's a nice view when you walk in and you got all these damn trophies everywhere, but yeah. Say what's up to Arnell's grumpy ass and then fucking go start setting up the field. Let's get it. What's good? We just got done setting up the field. Fucking got a nice little layout for the day. Got all these fuckheads over there in the net just standing around. Got a future killer D5 player for next year. What's up, Zach? Say what's up to the vlog.
Gang, gang, gang. What up,
gang,
vlog?
Gang, gang, much to say. Hey, Turtle Man, what you got to say to the vlog, man?
We out here. We living. We're about to get this money.
There we go. Couple shooters right there. That's a young buck right there. That's the IQ of the team. What's good, Cameron Hoover? Say what's up to the couple young bucks. You got these fucking old heads over here.
We had the tournament the weekend before.
No, the week after. It's the weekend after.
Yeah.
The Colorado event is the weekend after.
Yeah.
Look how ugly this motherfucker is.
I don't know.
My name is Tyler and I fly helicopters.
EXL.
Hey, get me. I need an interview. What you want to interview about?
Let me see. All right, so just tell me what we're out here doing today, man.
I showed up 2 hours late. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
I brought extra paint though, so I'm a real one.
Supposed to be here at 8. What time did you get here?
10.
10. Okay.
Yeah. Hoes ain't gonna smash themselves. You feel me?
Do you think that
I had to do God's work. You feel me?
I feel you.
I'm kind of over that fucking drive.
So how's this year going so far, man?
Pretty good. I should have won MVP twice. I got one though under the belt. Might have to get a third.
I don't know about all that, man. We'll have to see.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a second one. I just feel bad for anyone that we gotta play against, man, because I really be on my bully shit, man. I be flexing on people and shit. So
You're like a big ass K9 or what? Yeah.
I'm big ass Rottweiler pit bull mix.
That's what I figured he was gonna say.
All right, let me interview you now, man.
All right.
How you been doing this year, man?
Man, you know what I mean. One MVP should have been 2, but can't win them all. They gave it to this nigga.
2 what?
2 MVPs.
Oh, okay.
I only won 1, but I mean you can't win them all.
Yeah, yeah.
I think maybe we might have the best rookie season that anyone's ever had. I don't know that.
That's a fact.
Maybe 4 wins, possibly 5.
Damn. So I see you got the goatee coming in.
I might have to shave it, man. It's getting annoying. I'm trying to take after my boy Jimmy. Look at him.
This shit going 5 years strong, my dude.
But he has a real goatee. Yours is split in 2.
Yeah, I know. Well, I'm barely having it.
You look like they look like little goat horns.
This shit was peach fuzz like 3 months ago.
For real?
Yeah, it's starting to transform, man.
They look like goat horns and a pitchfork.
Give me the bar back, man. All right, man. We'll catch you on the field.
Hey, Cowboys! 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 Hey, Cowboys! Cowboy home! Hey, Cowboy truck! Cowboy truck!
Hey, smart paintball. Smart paintball.
Watch the Reno side! Watch the Reno side!
Got these young bucks getting ready.
I'll take it.
That's an OG though.
So yeah, if we can pull one with med school, we can pull him off the break and make one of them fill out, and then they have another new guy. So if we can pull, I'll get left. I can take a knee right here. Like this is even good for me right here. I can take a knee.
I definitely just took a couple balls for you guys. You're clean, you're clean! Hey X, talk, what do you see? Let them know what you see. Hit, let him out. Oh, big man in the snake. Oh shit, big man in the snake. Shit, big man in the snake. Oh shit, big man in the snake. Oh, with the nasty run through. Oh. Ooh, got him. Ooh. Hey, that was pretty nice, I gotta say. That's that MVP shit, huh? Not too shabby.
again louder. Tell your snake guy you got it. Tell him to kill cow.
Alright, into practice, we checking back in. We got this motherfucker in front of me that was talking the most shit before our 3-on-3, but Daniel, tell us what happened. Tell the camera what happened, bro.
Alright.
What happened when we played?
We're playing a 3v3, right? Correct?
Correct.
I killed Trey first, correct?
Yeah, I don't know who that is, but yeah.
Oh, Trent, sorry.
Yeah,
I killed Trent for a D4 player. Used to be a good aggression player. I don't know if he's good anymore, so I capped him real quick. Then I was shooting at Turtle. I put Skylar in I don't know how many times. He really don't want a gunfight with me. I mean, I put him in way more times than he put me in. That's no cap. So I'm over here shooting at Turtle and I'm just moving my gun around.
2 rags in a bucket.
Hey, shut up, bitch.
And then, so I shot.
He's preventing the inevitable. Basically, he got
No,
smoked.
no, I'm trying to talk. Look. And then I'm pretty sure I shot Turtle, but he cheated on his pack.
Oh, okay.
So it should have been a 3v1.
Okay.
And then we would have won easily. So other than that, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What happened whenever we got into a gunfight? Tell the camera what.
No, we didn't get into a gunfight.
We didn't?
No. I was moving my gun back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're just gonna cut the interview right there because we already know it's gonna be capped. Trey, you saw what happened, right?
Yeah.
It was a massacre.
Who got
Thank
the
you.
first kill?
We got a hater over there. He's mad because I smoked him and his whole team, so he doesn't want to be in the interview. But
I didn't get smoked. Turtle shot me.
he's mad because he wants me to help him clean bunkers. But
Yeah, I got a 2-hour drive. I'm gonna go fuck home.
hey, I appreciate you, Tyler.
Appreciate you too, baby.
All right, we're gonna cut it later, baby. You're welcome, Gus.
What's good, dog? What's good? What's good, dog?